A real exclusive on Buckle Up with Berry, my new podcast this week, where I asked Jason Cundy whether his wife noticed he only had one testicle.
Hello, darling.
Hi, sweet cheeks. Now, listen, I'm on a podcast, okay, with Barry from Watford.
Hello, love.
And the first time that we made love, right, okay, did you notice I only had 3/4 of a testicle?
No.
There you go.
Well, that is an absolute exclusive. And did you notice he had a penis or not? Let's Buckle Up with Barry, my fantastic podcast put out through TalkSport whenever you get your podcast. Thank you.